Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Android 14 smartphones. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app. Here, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Last is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled, but if you have any problems with this app, go back and try to disable it. From here, the app is ready. We can see 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and Settings. In User, you can enable any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can find all system-bound apps and also activate them for custom LED lamp notifications. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated. We can disable or customize them right here. And in the settings, you can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or the color. Let's click on the test button and you should be able to see the LED lamp right here in the top left corner of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.